Hello and welcome to another episode of the Average EV Educational Series. Today we're going to be talking about your vehicle's consumption. So consumption, simply put, is just how much energy does your vehicle to use. Now, on most EVs, especially CCS EVs, that is shown in a miles per kilowatt hour rate, okay? So right now on my vehicle, I'm getting 4.0 miles per kilowatt hour. So if I were to take my total battery pack multiplied times 4, that's about how many miles I could probably get off of a full battery. Now that's a dynamic number because as you drive it changes. The most related term for an internal combustion engine would be miles per gallon, right? So depending on how you drive, changes how many miles you're gonna get per gallon. Usually bigger cars get less MPG, smaller cars get bigger MPG. Same with electric vehicles. More efficient electric vehicles have a bigger, miles per kilowatt hour, and bigger electric vehicles like the trucks that are coming out and the Hummer EV and stuff like that, they get a smaller consumption for their EV. All right, so what is a good consumption for your vehicle? Well, if you have a smaller car like me, I have a Kona, I think anywhere from 3.5 to 4.5 is good. More is great, less is okay? Now, if you have a bigger vehicle like a Ford F-150 Lightning or a Rivian or R1T or R1S, something like that, I think anywhere between 1.8 to maybe like 2.4, 2.5 is pretty commendable. Obviously, if you can get more, great, but I think those are good kind of ranges to aim for. All right, so that was just a little bit about consumption. It's definitely something you want to pay attention to and be aware of, and it's gonna help kind of guide your driving so that you can get the most out of your EV. I hope this was helpful, and I will catch you all next time.